What is air? Air is the source of human existence. There's a lot of energy in the air. What else can air do? 16 years of practice, we use air to realize the efficient regulation of cooling and heating air and water in the living environment. This is the origin of our innovation. It is also the origin of OUTES' ambition to become the world's leading green home appliances group. How to return home to the origin of warmth and comfort. Know your cooling and heating needs. Know your health needs. Windless experience. Suitable temperature and humidity. Natural and pure. Taking into account multiple cares of the taste from the wind. Build up the natural comfort that can be enjoyed at home. Energy saving can be achieved by using air. Make more living space with a comfort central control system. Make your home smarter. Between breaths, paint a home as comfortable as air. Nature undertone. Choosing a new origin means blank space, loneliness, and challenge. What lies behind it is the design that breaks the limits, the customization of production, the control of detail, and the openness of compatibility. From springland to snowy town, from grassland to the mountains, build comfortable living space where there's air. The road we travel draws a standard line for the industry. OUTES, the pioneers, never changed its mind. Change the world from air source heat pump. OUTES also provide a more comfortable life for people who change the world. Start at the origin and never stop at the origin. Start from air source heat pump. Save electricity for families. Let nature return to a livable space. This is the mission of OUTES. Let love have temperature. OUTES.